Excuse me, which bus goes to the city center?
Take bus number 5 to platform 4.
Thank you so much.
Have a safe trip.
Excuse me, what time is the next bus?
The next bus arrives at 10:30.
Does this bus run every day?
Yes, it operates daily.
Is the schedule always the same?
Yes, but it may change on holidays.
Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it goes directly to the city centre.
How many stops are there?
There are 5 stops before your destination.
How long will the journey take?
It will take about 40 minutes.
Does the bus have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is available.
Are there charging ports inside?
Yes, every seat has one.
Does the bus have a restroom?
Yes, it is at the back of the bus. Hello, can I buy a ticket to the city center?
Yes, the next bus leaves in 15 minutes.
How much is one ticket?
One ticket costs $5.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, we accept cash and cards.
Can I bring this suitcase on the bus?
Yes, you can put it in the luggage area.
Is there a luggage fee?
No, luggage is included.
Where should I put my small bag?
You can keep it with you.
Excuse me, is this the final stop?
Yes, this is the last station.
Where can I find a taxi?
The taxi area is near the exit.
Can you show me the direction?
Sure, go straight and turn left. Hello, can I buy a ticket to New York?
Yes, the next bus leaves at 2 p.m.
How much does the ticket cost?
The ticket costs $20.
Can I pay with my credit card?
Yes, we accept credit cards and cash.
Excuse me, when is the next bus to the airport?
The next bus leaves in 30 minutes.
How often does this bus run?
It runs every hour.
Is the last bus late at night?
Yes, the last bus leaves at midnight.
Excuse me, where is platform number 5?
It is on the left side of this building.
Is my bus already there?
Yes, your bus is waiting at the platform.
How much time do I have before departure?
You still have 15 minutes.
Can I bring this large suitcase?
Yes, you can put it in the luggage compartment.
Is there an extra luggage fee?
No, luggage is included with your ticket.
Can I keep my small bag with me?
Yes, you can bring it to your seat.
Does this bus have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is available.
Are there phone chargers inside?
Yes, every seat has a charging port.
Is there a restroom on the bus?
Yes, it is located at the back.
Excuse me, why is my bus late?
The bus is delayed because of traffic.
How long will I have to wait?
It should arrive in 20 minutes.
Will you announce when it arrives?
Yes, we will make an announcement. Can I change my bus ticket time?
Yes, let me check available schedules.
Is there another bus this evening?
Yes, there is one at 7 p.m.
Do I need to pay extra?
No, changing time is free. Does this bus stop near the museum?
Yes, it stops right in front of it.
Can you tell me when we arrive?
Sure, I will let you know.
How many stops until the museum?
Only 3 more stops.
Excuse me, where is the taxi area?
It is outside the main entrance.
Can I find a hotel nearby?
Yes, there are several hotels around here.
Can you show me on the map?
Of course, I'll show you the location. I missed my bus. What should I do?
Don't worry, we can help you.
Can I take the next bus?
Yes, we can change your ticket.
Do I need to pay extra?
No, there is no extra charge. Does this bus go to the airport?
Yes, this bus goes directly there.
How long does the trip take?
It takes around 40 minutes.
Does it stop at the train station?
Yes, it stops there first.
Excuse me, where is bus number 20?
It leaves from platform 3.
Is platform 3 near here?
Yes, just walk straight ahead.
How long before the bus leaves?
You have about 10 minutes. I missed my bus. What should I do?
Don't worry, we can help you.
Can I take the next bus?
Yes, we can change your ticket.
Do I need to pay extra?
No, there is no extra charge.
Can I choose my seat?
Yes, you can choose an available seat.
Is a window seat available?
Yes, we still have one left.
Can you book that seat for me?
Sure, I will reserve it now.